Welcome back to the Pleasure Code. I'm your host, Risan. Today's episode is about one of the most powerful tools you possess as a lover. Sequence. Not speed. Not size. Not even stamina. Sequence. The way you layer touch, breath, presence, and rhythm in a way that allows her to feel safe enough to open. If you want to unlock her deepest surrender, you have to understand how to build her there. Let's talk about the code. Here's what most men miss. They touch too soon. Move too fast. Skip the opening sequence. But a woman's body doesn't open on demand. It unfolds like a flower, like music, like trust. There is a sequence. And when you get it right, she doesn't just let you in. She welcomes you. Here's the flow. Start with stillness. Breathe with her. Let her nervous system sync with yours. Use the lightest touch. The back of your fingers. The whisper of your palm. Not where she expects it, but where she can feel it without defense. Arm, hip, lower back. Add pressure. Hold her. Wrap your arms around her like she's safe. Stay there. Let her melt into you. Begin your rhythm. Gently, slowly. Let your breath lead your motion, not your urgency. Only now do you move into more intimate touch. Watch her. Feel her. Let her body pull you in. That's the code. That's the sequence. It isn't random. It's a rhythm. A build. A ritual of trust. She wants to open, but she needs to feel safe enough to do so. When you skip steps, you short circuit her arousal. When you rush, she retreats. But when you touch her with care, when your hands speak safety before they speak desire, when your rhythm says, I see you, before it says, I want you, she glows. She pauses. She pulls you deeper. Not because you took it, but because she offered it. And that's the difference. You've been listening to The Pleasure Code. If this episode resonated with you, share with a brother. Leave a review. Subscribe. And remember, touch is not just contact. It's communication. Until next time, lead with presence and listen with your hands.